stage, it requires to light the lamp, respecting the rich tradition of our country. And with all respect, I would to like other dignitaries to join in. Ma'am, please, you can also join us. Now we are start our function with the national anthem of India. So I'll request our chief guests, children, teachers and parents to stand up for the respect of the national anthem.
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now we are start the function with some activities present by the children of the Universal Martial Arts. A strong woman is a one who raised other women up in strength to the tearing them down. Please present self-defense by a girl, Riddhi Kalra. for appreciation the effort of the students by giving them the prize for all their achievements. For the same, I invite to the Honorable Chief Guest Ashok Vector, Senior Advocate of High Court, to give certificates to the children. Deepika, Bharti Junior, Devansh,
इधर ना आप सभी लाइन में आएगा
नीरव भल्ला,
लाइन में आते
दीपिका,
जाएंगे देखिए लाइन में आएगा
आयुष, वीराज, दक्ष शर्मा, खुशगर भारद्वाज, विमलदीप सिंह, शीतल, अबिका, अक्षत सिंह, अगस्त्य पटेल, शिव शंकर, कृतिका सिंह, नीरज सिंह, निशा, प्रेषा, नमित अग्रवाल, देवांश अग्रवाल, निशा गुप्ता, यशिका शर्मा, कृष्णा सिंह गिल, राजवीर सिंह, मारिया वर्मा, जेनेसिस गुप्ता, अघाता, तेजस, रंजोत सिंह गिल,
आप सभी को शामिल
आशीष सिंह, स्माया वर्मा,
भैया
रुबिया वर्मा।
इनको इस साइड करो थोड़ा सा 3-4 बच्चे इधर आ जाओ
And one more is Khaira Maria.
आप भी आ जाओ आप भी आ जाओ
Mary, this side. नीचे रखो सर्टिफिकेट नीचे करो Smile 1 minute.
Let them do
Let them go. बेटे आप इधर आ जाओ, आप इधर को आ जाओ, आप उधर आ जाओ।
और इधर आ जाओ लाइन में आ जाओ
कैरेक्ट चेक कर ली चीफ गेस्ट के साथ
ओके थैंक यू
Hello, please back to the side. This student को certificate मिल गया, please बैठिए.
मैम सामने देखिए मैम थैंक यू बच्चे यहाँ पे देखो
Orange belt.
वेट साइड में मास्क यहाँ पे देख लीजिए वेट थैंक यू मुझे अभी साथ में मैम सामने ये है थैंक यू साथ में सामने देखिए जी सर सामने देखिएगा ये है बच्चे साथ में आ जाओ अभी वेट
Raghav, Aryan Gupta, Smaira, and Jatin Kumar.
यही रुकना है अभी, जसमीन रुकना है अभी आप। ग्रुप फोटो करना है।
बोलते जाओ सामने कोई है ठीक है अरे यहाँ पे देखो इधर यहाँ देखो इधर थैंक यू डाउन कर दो यहाँ देखो इधर
respected Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Ashok Bector, Senior Advocate, Punjab and Haryana High Court, come Chairman of UHRO, Mr. Harcharan Singh Ji, Senior Vice President of UHRO, Madam Preet Kaur Manji, National Information Officer of UHRO, and students and parents are very thankful to come forward to grace the occasion successful. The main aim and object of the martial arts to give the training to the children 4 years onward. For Shotokan Karate, kickboxing, street fighting, with help and support of the parents, we will cover the karate classes, school, college, university level also. I requested to Mr. Ashok Bector to honor the award of honor to our anchor, Madam Supinder Kaur Ji.
Please welcome Ravya Verma and Smira. It's good for online training and she's doing good performance. Please welcome Ravya Verma and Smira Verma. Please welcome our chief guest Ashok Bector to make a group photo with all students who gave the certificates.
फेस से नीचे करो बेटा गुंतास
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Request to our chief guest Ashok Bector, sir, Senior Advocate, Punjab and Haryana, to make a cup of tea and feel comfortable. Thank you.
I am Dr. Bimaldeep Singh, Senior Consultant Dental at Health Square at Mohali. It has always been a childhood desire to learn martial arts as a part of life and incorporate it in the daily schedule. There was hardly any time earlier on because of study pressures, and parents were more concerned that I should become a medical doctor rather than follow an art and become a sportsman. The turning point came when my daughter was one day bullied in the school bus, and I immediately enrolled her in karate classes so that she should not lose her confidence. And the child eventually took a black belt in karate, and today she is a successful professional. Likewise, my son followed suit, and today he is a second dan in Taekwondo. While my son was continuing Taekwondo, I also decided to enroll. And 7 years back, I enrolled in Taekwondo, and eventually, to fulfill my childhood dream of a black belt, I got a black belt in Taekwondo in 2019. My daughter incidentally wanted to do a refresher course in karate, and we found Satish sir 5 years back, and I was impressed the way Satish sir conducted the classes and the way he imparted the knowledge to the children, and I was impressed by his technique, and I also decided that I should also try and learn and maximize my experience with him. They say growth is a learning process, and continuous growth is continuous learning. You stop, you actually just finish off your life if you stop somewhere. So after 1.5 years ago, I enrolled with Satish sir, and there has been no looking back. I am grateful to Satish sir and to Praveen sir for their deep knowledge of the art and their dedication to karate. And I would recommend anybody who is even remotely inclined to learn and to make it into a fit lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, be it be juniors, be it be seniors, be it be any age group, you can start at any point of time. And I am a standing example in front of you, and I would recommend this to anybody and everybody, and I would highly recommend Universal Martial Arts as your starting point and your journey beyond. Thank you.
Yes.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pooja Kapoor, and my daughter Miraya, 5-year-old, she's been a student at Universal Martial Arts Academy for past 1 year. And I'm very, very thankful to Universal Martial Arts and Satish sir and Praveen sir and Satpal sir for teaching these kids not just self-defense but also some very, very important life lessons. I remember starting defense classes myself as a kid, but I could never really follow them through because, you know, at our times studies were given much more priority. And I feel that in today's time, self-defense is something that every person should know, more so if you are a girl child. So when she was born, I remember thinking to myself that art and music and dance classes, everything can wait, but self-defense is something that she will have to learn. So she's already there. I have another one, a younger one, who's going to start classes very soon, hopefully, following her. And she keeps telling me things that she's learned, you know, sir says this and sir says that, he's asked us to eat this, he's asked us to avoid that. Something very small, like the other day she told me that sir ne hame bola hai ki haldi doodh peena hai. So I gave it to her and I thought she might not really drink it, she might not enjoy it, but she did. And looking at her, even the younger one drank it. So this might seem something very small, but I think it's an important lesson that children learn from all different sources. So I'm very, very thankful to the academy and to all the teachers for helping us build much better human beings for tomorrow. And thank you very much for helping us in this parenting journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Akshay Gupta and this is our daughter Mishka. So हमारी daughter का association Universal Martial Arts के साथ अब काफ़ी long time से है. It's been almost 10 months and we are very happy. हमारी बेटी की जो growth हम लोग देख रहे हैं, जो उसकी upliftment हुई है, जो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ की तरफ उसका ओरिएंटेशन हुआ है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा उसने ग्रोथ किया पर्सनली व्हाट आई फील. एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यूनिवर्सल मार्शल आर्ट्स, स्पेशली सतीश सर और उनकी टीम की तरफ से जिन्होंने हमारे बच्चे पे बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स लगाए हैं. एंड आई फील कि मिश्का विल गो वेरी फार एज कराटे एंड जो भी इनका आगे का जो स्टेजिंग रहती है, तो मिश्का इज़ डूइंग वेरी वेल. और मैं सीरियसली आप सभी लोगों को रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप भी अपने किड्स को इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ में एनरोल कराइए. जस्ट मीट विद सतीश सर, आप उनसे इंटरेक्शन कीजिए एंड यू विल फाइंड कि ये जो प्रोग्राम है दैट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर योर किड्स. थैंक यू.
Hello, I'm Aditi Gupta and she's my daughter Anaya girl. She started her karate classes when she was 4 years old. So she is doing perfectly and I really appreciate Satish sir, Parveen sir and Satpal sir efforts. They are giving individual attention to all the students. They have 50 plus students in their academy and they give individual attention to each and every student. Following her, my son, who was like 2.5 years old, he used to go with us. So I insisted sir to please teach him. Firstly, they were little reluctant, he is quite small, but later on they taught him and he is learning it very nicely. Similarly, these people are teaching very good life lessons also, like they tell the kids what to eat and what not to eat. So following that, my daughter has stopped eating ketchup because that was one thing she used to eat a lot with French fries. And similarly, she directs her parents, obviously us and other family relatives, not to drink Coke because as it is not good for health. So I really appreciate and say thank you to Martial Arts and Academy. You people are doing really great efforts. Thank you.